What's up guys, it's going to be a video on replacing the trunk springs on a 2008 Acura TL. So the trunk springs on this car is inoperable, it's broken actually, and so to prop the trunk open I have a paracord tied to the mirrors of the vehicle. There we go. Just kind of rigged it to stay open. Just tie it up here. And then these are the trunk springs. So this is the part number if you guys want it. Let's see. This part number, I think this one is the left spring and this one's the right spring. So that's how the springs look. So just wanted to show you guys the broken trunk spring here. So I don't know which one is this broken one, but it's snapped in half. Let's take a look here. Yeah, it's broken, but as it lays right here, side's broken. Yeah. I removed the top liner here for the trunk. See there, and I just pushed it down and completely remove it. And then these side covers, I just pulled them off so I can access the sides of the torsion rods back here. Yeah. Alright, so I got the right side trunk lid spring in. It's the right side because it's used to hold up the right side arm for the trunk lid. So I got it in, but let me show you how I got it out. So I just used like pliers or kind of an adjustable wrench like this, and I just kind of got it on there like this, and then I torqued up like this motion, kind of torqued it up like that to get it off of this mount. And then yeah, that was it. It came off easy. Going on, it was a little bit harder. I kind of reversed the process, but to reverse the process, I used this tire iron, and I kind of just did the same thing but in reverse. And I stuck it in between here and here, and I got it onto the mount. You're gonna need a little bit of muscle, but once you get it up to right before it locks into this mount here, I just used a hammer and I kind of tapped it on there and it snapped into place. Not too bad. So kind of to just show you guys where it broke on the old one, this is the old one. I broke at the end of where it mounts into the trunk lid arm. This side of course is the forward mount that you have to torque in or muscle in, but yeah, it broke on the trunk arm side. And then these are the two gray arms are the old torsion bars, and then the black one is the driver side torsion bar that I still have to install. The passenger one has to go in first because the driver one overlaps it. But yep, I'm about to put the driver side in right now. So I just installed the driver side torsion bar for the trunk, and it goes across here and goes over the passenger side. And then just like the other side, it mounts into that mount there. I actually found a better tool to use to get the rods on rather than a tire iron and a hammer. I use this welding chipping tool because it's in a T shape, and you can have more of an advantage in putting tension on top of the torsion bar like this. Since it's a T shape, you have more leverage. But yeah, if you can find something that's in a T shape, works way better than a tire iron or something like that. But yeah, the install is done. I gotta pull those tags off. But yeah, that's how it should look after kind of crisscrosses each other.